Hello, hi. Welcome to Harini Clothing. Hello, hi. Welcome to Harini Clothing. So today we are going to show some jute sarees and some organza sarees and some mirror work sarees. So I will open all the sarees. So the price of the jute sarees is 799. So many of the customers are asking for a live video. So please, we request all of our followers to follow the live video. So hi. Hi. These are jute sarees, so which are of lightweight. So here I am going to show you 4 jute sarees. So these are of lightweight and good quality. So different color combinations are there in these. So contrast colors for borders and temple border. So the blouse will be the in contrast color. So first we will open one of our jute saree. So first piece is the green saree. So later we can check for the other pieces. So I am opening the jute saree. So green combination it is. Actually the pallu will be like this. All the 8 with the checks. And the blouse will be same. Running saree will be like this, and the blouse will be plain color, the border color. Actually very lightweight and very good look. The price of the saree is 799. So no shipping charges, free shipping all over India. So next we will further move to the other saree in the jute item. So it is with the light blue and orange combination. So the blouse, the pallu will be like this with the checks opposite color. So next is a jute item. Look at the border. The price of the saree is 799. So actually our subscribers are our followers. Many people so asked us to show the jute sarees in the live. So it is the second saree in the jute quality, very lightweight, and the price is 799. So a rich look and a festival wear item. So it is the second saree, blue and orange combination, and once again the first saree is a green and blue combination. So it is the second saree. So please take a screenshot if you like it. So please subscribers or please followers. So next third one is with the magenta border, and the this is the light grey color itself, and it will be like this. So the price of the saree is 799. So you can order on our number 9642331856. So you can WhatsApp on that number. So the pallu will be like this jute item, very rich looking and festival wear item. It is all with the checks with the opposite color combination. So next we will have the blouse piece with the contrast color like this. Blouse, a very soft jute. So you can observe the quality and the print on the jute. So youngers can wear this. So all of you, I welcome all of you to be in the live, and please follow us and thanks for following us. And all the items in the live videos can be offer free shipping, so we don't ask for you to pay the shipping charges. So next jute sarees, so this blue and orange combination, a rich look and good combination. It is like a sky blue and orange combination. So it will have the same pallu with the opposite contrast checks. So blouse will be like this. Blouse will be with this cloth. So these are the jute items. So next we can further move for the next item, that is mirror work. Actually many of our customers are again and again asking for the mirror work sarees. So in those, actually we have sold many pieces, and it is a red saree with the border with the yellow color and mirror stitched all over the saree. So a good quality cloth and good color combination, and the pallu with the thread knots and with the mirrors all over. So it will be like this red and yellow and grey combination. So if anybody want this saree, a cloth quality you can observe in the live video. So we guarantee for the quality in Harini clothing. So thanks for believing us, many of our customers. So today also I have got a message from Geeta madam from Singapore, who bought 3 mirror work sarees from us. So this is the blouse piece. So opposite blouse piece with the checks, yellow and the grey checks. So next we will see the other mirror work saree. So it is the red, and the next piece is the blue and red combination. So each mirror work saree will have the red knots on the pallu like this. So a good quality item, so please check in the live video. And the price of the saree is 799. The pallu will have all over the mirrors like this, opposite purple and green, so on the red. So a good looking item, and color combination is also very good. So blue and red combination, very nice one. So please order if you like it on our WhatsApp number 9642331856. So it will be like this. The design all over the saree will be like this, blue and red flowers, green flowers on that. So the pallu will be like this, all over the mirror work. So next I am going to show you some organza, digital organza. So premium quality organza pieces. So it is an organza. So please check in the live video. The quality and the borders of the organza saree are very smooth, and it is the multicolored checks all over the saree. So flowers on the borders. So a small border at the top and a big border at the bottom, and the blouse. Look at the blouse piece. Blouse piece will also have the border. So opposite color, the pink one they have given. So the price of the organza saree is 999. So free shipping all over India. It will be like this. So some small border at the top, and at the pleats some large border when compared to the small border, and the smooth look. So saree, so it is a very nice organza. So here I am going to show you some other organza pieces also. So please take the screenshot of the saree which you like. So the next item, the organza is this one. So green and red organza. So actually the red color, it comes at the pleats. So it is the blouse piece. The blouse will have the design like this with the red combination, green and red. So it is the inner, the border inner side will be in the silver color and outer side will be like this. So the border design on the blouse. So it is the pallu. So a good looking pallu. And look at the premium quality organza. Actually our price is very less when compared to the outer market. So our price is very less. So and we offer free shipping for all these items, mirror work, organza and the zoot items. So if you want, please watch our live video again and you take the screenshot and send it to us. So next organza is grey color, and it is a very rich looking item with the multicolor flowers all over the saree. So the blouse will be like this. The blouse will be like this, and the border also we can see it is like this. So a good quality organza. The blouse, you see here, it is the blouse design. So and pallu also will have some dark color. Pallu also will have the dark color at the end of each organza saree, and at the bottom of the saree the flowers will be like this. So opposite flowers, and very nice looking one. So all the items I have shown to you. And the next one, and but last one but not the least one, is the digital brasso. So it will have the price 799, and see the color combination, excellent color, cream and the pink, and a very rich looking item, a good design all over the saree. So pink color blouse, and pink color blouse for this. So if anybody want the digital brasso, so please text us. The price of the saree is 799. So all over the saree some butta will be there. So it is with the borders will be the borders will be with the pink color. So it will be like this. So it comes at the pleats. So a very gold color rich looking item. You can observe on my screen. So please order us if you like it. So our WhatsApp number is 964-233-1856, which is displayed as the Harini Clothing Instagram page. So we can once show the organza pieces. So look at the organza pieces that are shown in my live video. So this one is green and red, and this one is the ash combination with the floral design, and this one is the multicolor checked design with the pink border and pink blouse. So next one is the mirror work saree, red and green and a grey combination. So mirror work saree cost is 799. Organza saree cost is 999. In mirror work it is another saree I have shown to you. So we will come again with many videos. So already we have seen the zoot sarees in that sky blue and the orange combination. These are of lightweight and good quality, and the color won't be diminished from the saree. So a guarantee item, and the price of the zoot sarees is 799. So all of you, thank you once again. So I'll come back with you many videos. So please take a screenshot, and if you have any comments, please comment in the comment section. So thank you one and all. Please we request all of our followers to be in the live. Thank you.